Configuring the CyberScout dashboard is a straightforward process that allows you to customize and manage your identity protection services. To begin, log into your CyberScout account and navigate to the dashboard. The first step is to set up your profile, which includes adding your personal and contact information. This information is used to tailor the services to your specific needs and ensure that you receive relevant alerts and notifications. Next, you will need to configure your monitoring settings, which include selecting the types of personal data you want to monitor, such as your social security number, credit cards, and bank accounts. You can also choose to receive alerts for specific types of activity, such as credit inquiries or changes to your public records. Another key feature of the CyberScout dashboard is the ability to view and manage your credit reports. You can request a credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus and view the reports online. This allows you to monitor your credit history and detect any potential errors or signs of identity theft. In addition to credit monitoring, the CyberScout dashboard also provides tools for managing your online presence. You can use the dashboard to scan for your personal information on the dark web and receive alerts if your information is found. You can also use the dashboard to manage your social media accounts and receive alerts for suspicious activity. To get the most out of the CyberScout dashboard, it is essential to regularly review and update your settings. This includes reviewing your credit reports, monitoring your alerts and notifications, and adjusting your settings as needed. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and tools available on the CyberScout dashboard, you can effectively manage your identity protection services and reduce your risk of identity theft. Remember to always stay vigilant and monitor your accounts and credit reports regularly to ensure your personal and financial information remains secure. Best practices for configuring the CyberScout dashboard include regularly reviewing and updating your settings, monitoring your alerts and notifications, and using strong and unique passwords for your account. By following these best practices and taking advantage of the features and tools available on the dashboard, you can help protect your identity and reduce your risk of identity theft.